Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 update for the May release, which is the Moment 2 update. Yeah, you heard it right. We have the Moment 2 update on the May release with a lot of new features. And in this video, of course, we're going to talk about those new features, how you can get them, and how you can install this update. If you enjoy videos like these in which we talk about different Windows 11 updates for insiders or for the May release, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. The build that Microsoft released today is the build 22621.1344 or KB5022913. As I've said, this is the Moment 2 update for the main release, which we've waited for months and it's finally here. So in this video, I'm gonna go through all the new features and all the new improvements. First of all, let's talk about how to install the Moment 2 update. You just have to open up the Settings app in Windows 11 through search if you want, go into Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if you're on the latest build from the May release, you should get this latest update, which is the Moment 2 update. After a few minutes of downloading and installing, you're going to have to restart your computer and the update will be set up on your computer. First of all, we're going to talk about the new Moment 2 update features, and later on, we're going to talk about a few fixes and a few features that are specific to this update only. First of all, we have the tablet optimized taskbar. If you go and right click on the taskbar and then taskbar settings, and after that taskbar behaviors, on devices that support touchscreen, you're going to notice a new option that will allow you to enable a tablet optimized taskbar. And that taskbar is a little bit different with bigger icons, bigger buttons, so that it is easier to use when using a touch device. We finally have a new system tray. As you can see, a new system tray with new animations, new rounded corners, bigger icons, and I think this is pretty nice. If you go and pin an icon, you have new icons, new animations. If you unpin it, you're going to notice yet again nice animations. I think this is more reliable. You can have up to 5 items in a row in this new system tray on Windows 11, and this is very nice. If you don't have it already, install the Moment 2 update and you'll be able to use these new features. Another new feature that we have is the live file explorer search, and I think that is also pretty useful because you can get live results while you're typing into the file explorer search. Another new feature is a feature related to the Settings app, and if you open up the Settings app and then go into Power, you're going to notice here energy recommendations. Energy recommendations are some settings that will allow you to lower your carbon footprint and also improve your battery life if you are using a laptop. For example, here I'm on a virtual machine. I have two options: turn off my screen after 3 minutes or turn off my screensaver. But if you're using a main computer or laptop or a PC, you're going to notice that you will have more options and more recommendations. We have a lot of improvements for the Task Manager also. The Task Manager gets a new improved interface with the search box here that will allow you to search by using a name, publisher, or PID. And you also have new settings that will allow you to change the app theme, light, dark, use system settings, and also other options that you can use here. I think the Task Manager is really nicely improved by Microsoft, and we finally get also this update on the May release. And also one of the last features that you'll be able to notice on the Moment 2 update is a drop down here for touch keyboard that will allow it to show it never, always, or with no keyboard attached. I think this is pretty useful and can help you in situations where you don't have a keyboard attached to the computer. So these are pretty much the new features related to the Moment 2 update. I think these features are really interesting and Microsoft introduced them finally on the main release. Now, particular to this update, an improvement would be that this update makes it easier to get help if you're having PC issues. You can now find Quick Assist in the Start menu's All Apps list. This update also includes a lot of fixes related to the taskbar, Settings app, File Explorer, and those are crash related, and also fixes that will improve the reliability of those Windows features. And of course, as always, we also get a Windows 11 Service and Stack update, which is the build 20061.1344, and this update ensures that you have a robust and reliable service and stack so that your devices can receive and install Microsoft updates. So this is all there is to it in the Moments 2 update. We finally have it on the main release, so go ahead and check for updates right now if you didn't do that already, and you'll have all these new features to use on Windows 11 on your main computer. I'm looking forward to hearing from you in the comments below. What is your favorite Moments 2 feature, or what feature you think will be the most useful? If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. Also, make sure to check out the article below in the video's description for more info related to this build with a full list of fixes and improvements to check. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.